Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 4 exponents x minus 3 times 2 exponents x plus 2 equals 0. The first thing I'll do is to change the 4 to a base of 2. So I have 2 exponents 2x minus 3 times 2 exponents x plus 2 equals 0. The next thing we'll do is to use this rule to change 2 exponent 2x to 2 exponent x all squared, right? So that's how our equation looks like now. The next step is to replace 2 exponents x with a variable, and we're going to use u. So let u equals 2 exponents x. So now our equation becomes u squared minus 3u plus 2 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation that we can solve for u. So first, let's factorize. I have u minus 2 in one bracket and u minus 1 in another bracket. Solving for u, we have u equals 2 or u equals 1. So now at this point, I can bring back 2 exponents x, right? So if u equals 1, then 2 exponents x equals 1, which is the same as 2 exponents 0. And we know the bases are the same, you can equate the powers. So if 2 exponents x equals 2 exponents 0, then x equals 0. And if u equals 2, then 2 exponents x equals 2, which is the same as 2 exponents x equals 2 exponents 1. The bases are the same, you can equate the powers. We have x equals 1. So the answers are x equals 0 or x equals 1. So that's how you solve a question like this. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.